Hello students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Just now you have written your CMA Inter exam. I am not going to ask you how you have written your exam. My sincere advice is stop discussing anything about the completed exam. Stop sharing, inquiring, comparing the solutions and answers with your friends. Nobody knows whether what they have done is correct or not. So don't be in a wrong notion that every other student has written his exam well except you. So in this short video, I am going to explain you the important areas which you need to revise for the upcoming exam, that is cost accounting exam. Yes, I am definitely aware that you are busy. You just give me 10 minutes of time. Definitely you will get more returns than what you have invested. Let us assume you have not written your previous exam well. Please forget about it and pay complete attention on the upcoming exam only. Don't forget, whatever the loss that you incurred in the earlier exam, you must compensate the same in the upcoming exam. Hence, see that the impact of one exam does not fall on the next exam. So first finish revision of complicated or high weightage chapters in this particular subject and then take care of the remaining chapters. It is always beneficial to assume that the paper will always be tough. In professional courses, it's highly risky to leave a particular chapter completely as choice. Rather, you at least prepare the past examination problems, guess questions, and MTPs of this attempt as well as previous attempt. As a result, there are very good chances for you to be able to attempt a problem in that particular chapter in the public exam. Now let us see how you need to start revising the cost accounting subject. First of all, you please prepare the following areas in all the chapters of cost accounting subject. Number one is guess questions. Number two, problems you might have marked as important while revising. Plus, in addition to that, also revise A category questions in all the theory chapters. And prepare all sets of MTPs of this attempt as well as previous attempt. So refer the quick revision notes or fast track material if you have maintained earlier. So in your internal exams, you might have committed some mistakes either in revision exams or pre-final exams. Try to refer all those mistakes once again, because even if that problem comes back once again in the public exam, you shall not repeat the same mistake again. Now, in each of the chapters, let us see what are the areas that you need to refer without fail. First, you refer all these areas. If time permits, then you plan the revision of the remaining areas. First, start with marginal costing because it's a very important chapter. In this marginal costing chapter, so you need to refer profit volume ratio, break-even point, margin of safety, and key factor. Remember, I am arranging the chapters in the order of priority. So more important chapter I am referring at the beginning and lesser important chapter I am referring at the end. So after marginal costing, the next important chapter is standard costing and variance analysis. In this chapter, refer the model of material variance, labor variance. After that, process costing. In this particular chapter, you need to refer equivalent units concepts with average method. Now coming to contract costing, preparation of contract account when degree of completion is less than 90%. After that, cost sheet, preparation of cost sheet for ascertaining selling price. After that, overheads, treatment of under or over recovery of machine hour rate, cross service method. After that, material cost, economic order quantity, inventory levels. After that, employee cost, standard plans for payment of bonus. After that, cost accounting standards, that is CAS 1 to 24. So at least refer the names, it's highly enough. Now coming to the chapter of cost bookkeeping, so refer the model of reconciliation statement, batch costing, economic batch quantity, joint and byproducts, treatment of byproducts, operating or service costing, transportation of goods and passengers, hotel service costing, budget and budgetary control, flexible budget, functional budget, introduction to cost accounting, cost control, cost reduction, cost unit, cost object. Direct expenses, it's not required. Job costing, not required. Infrastructure, educational, healthcare and port service, not required. By the way, Masterminds is a premier institution offering coaching from Inter MECC to CMA final with an annual admissions of nearly 20,000. Here are a few details. For the aspirants of BBA or MBA or law courses, we also offer an innovative academic program called MEC Pro. Here are the details. Here are the details of our online presence. Here are the details of our physical presence. You can directly interact with any of the directors of Masterminds. Here are the details. All the best, my dear students.